So I'm going to show you how I made 55K last month using a YouTube channel that gets me free leads. Now, I'm going to show you the channel here in just a second, which you see on the screen, which is my money game channel. And it's a channel I created about maybe 16 months ago or so. And the problem that most people face when they're going online is they get the wrong leads. They don't track their ideal client. Sometimes they have to pay for leads on Facebook and it gets really expensive. And at the end of the day, some beginners don't even know where to start, while the experienced people are paying way too much for their leads. So I'm going to show you the exact sequence of the funnel. I built this channel as a passion project about a year and a half ago, and I didn't even start selling something until about 8 months ago on the channel. I'm going to walk you through it right now in terms of what does the actual YouTube channel look like. Number one, what does the high ticket funnel look like, where they come through the funnel, where we eventually sell them an $8,000 package. And from there, what are the potential upsells as well? Okay, so let's jump in right now. And first, let me show you the actual channel here on YouTube. So this is the YouTube channel. It's not the one you're on. The one you're on is a newer channel that I created, but the YouTube channel you're seeing right now is actually my money game channel that you see here. And you can see down here are the different views that I'm getting. This video got 2.9 thousand, 4.2 thousand, 3.2 thousand, 6.2 thousand here. So I'm getting thousands of views per video, as you can see. But one of the very key important things is underneath each video, I make a call to action. So when I'm doing a video, you'll see down below, there's a link here, and I make a call to action to the customer. And I say, hey, if you're feeling inspired, you should click down below and you should go get my money game book, and then also my free trading strategy, and click down below right here. And then people go to the book and they actually get it, as you can see right here on the screen. I'll show you the high ticket book that they get, which is right here, as you can see. And that is the book that they get. It says, get the free book Wall Street doesn't want you to read, and my daily trading strategy. So they go here and they put their name, email, and cell phone number in here. Now, the reason we have them put their cell phone number in is because we actually want to get people's cell phone so my team can about a large percentage of the leads that we actually get on this YouTube channel to book calls with our team. It's about 30% comes from calling, and then the other 70% comes where they just see this video and then they book a free consultation. They get on the phone and then we close them on an $8,000 deal. Now, the reason why YouTube is so good is because people are watching your content all the time. And I can tell you the difference between Facebook and YouTube is two things. One, we've done approximately $50 million, mostly as a result of online marketing through Facebook and Instagram. And that's for my other brand. And the main difference that we see is that on YouTube, people are watching your content all the time. So there's two reasons why people buy. One, they consume your content all the time. So when they show up to a call after booking through our YouTube link to get on a consultation about money game, they're like, oh my God, I've watched the show. It's amazing. He makes it so simple. It's great. And they get on the phone and they're way more inspired to buy. In fact, my salesperson recently said it's almost like talking to a referral, because consumption of content is what gets people to buy. And they got to see it multiple times. Like, you've probably driven down the road, you see a Netflix billboard, you're like, this new movie's coming out called XYZ. Like, maybe I'll go see it. Then you go home and your wife is like, hey, we should go check out that new movie that's out. And you're like, maybe. Then an ad pops across your screen and you see it again. And after the third or fourth time, you're like, I should go see the damn movie. Well, on YouTube, they watch you multiple times and they're not just seeing you pop up. They're actually consuming content. And the sales process of high ticket sales, where on this channel that I was just showing you, we sell about an $8,000 program. Actually, not about, it's an $8,000 program. It's actually $10,000. And for fast action pricing, we discount it to $8,000. And then we do an upsell for a year long on the back end of that as well. And so with that offer that we make to people on that call, like, they're coming to a first call and they're closing and they're writing a check for $8,000. So that's pretty significant considering this channel was just created recently. I did it literally as a passion. I had no intention to sell something. And then I found that people had a need for it and I filled a gap and I sell it now. And all I do is show up about 3 times a week. For me, my team does the research on what's happening in the marketplace. So I show up, I've got a PowerPoint slide, I go through it. It takes me 30 minutes to do it. In about an hour and a half to 2 hours a week, I do 3 shows. And then the income we made last month was approximately $55,000. So to show up for 2 hours a week, $55,000. The profits on that are super high because all I need is a salesperson on this cycle, or a setter and a salesperson for my line, but you could just have a salesperson. So I pay them out of commission. The traffic and the leads are 100% free. And then I pay somebody to do a little research. So the profit margin is huge on this. It's kind of equivalent on ads. If you were spending like, we spend approximately maybe $100,000 a month on ads, or $1 million a year, I should say. Anywhere from $1 million to $2 million we average over the course of the last 6 years. And so with that, we got to put in $1 and make $3 to $4 cash back. But there's this profit margin that gets eaten into, and that's why YouTube ads are so great. So every time you do a show, I'm going to give you some input here. The first thing you should absolutely do is go do some keyword research. So you go to vidIQ. I did some keyword research on this show right here, and it gave me just the one I created for you. It gave me a rating of 87 out of 100. It did the keyword research of like high ticket is good for this niche that I'm in with you guys right now in terms of the video you're watching, and it rated it and gave me keywords, and now I put it on and more people will view it. The channel that I'm doing right now that you're watching on is more of a new channel that we started taking seriously months back, and so our intention is to grow this thing out massively like we grew the other money game channel. The other money game channel, that channel in particular, has like 11 million views on it. So it's been pretty significant in terms of the success of that channel. Now, prior to that, that channel had other stuff on it. And then Money Game, I just put on it, 16, 17 months ago. So you can see, what can actually happen when you're doing stuff like this, and you can really crush it in the marketplace by doing a YouTube channel that really, it's a couple hours of your time every single week. And for this video, it's now 7:54 a.m. Pacific right now that I'm recording this. I was like, oh, I'll do a quick video. It took me 1 minute for the research on YouTube. We've been on this video for 7 minutes. This entire cycle has costed me about 10 minutes of my time. So I'll do 2 videos, maybe a week on this, starting back up to do 2 videos a week, and it'll take me 25-30 minutes a week to do this, and we'll grow this thing up. In the next 6 months, this thing will monetize the heck out of it. Okay, so there's a link down below if you want to book a call with my team to show you how we're building out these high ticket funnels. This funnel that I showed you on the screen, we literally build high ticket funnels like this, like you're seeing here, that has the entire page done and all the copy on it. It used to take months and months and months to build this out for a client. We build it out in 60 minutes now. So I have an AI tool that I built and coded with 25 years of my presentations and sales formulas in there, and marketing formulas. And you answer 20 questions about your brand, and we run your answers through my marketing formulas, my presentation formulas, my sales formulas, and then we spit out your ideal client for your brand with people who have the ability to pay. I know something about this because we've done approximately 50 million, mostly as a result of online marketing and ads. Number 2, gets a message and an offer that converts along with your own personal story. And then in phase 2, we do your emails, your VSLs, which are your video scripts, all your copy that's going to go on the page that I just showed you. And with the click of a button, your entire high ticket funnel is built, and all your video scripts are done, and it's built. And I can tell you, agencies and groups like that can charge a very, very, very high ticket amount of money for stuff like this. And we do it for a fraction of the investment. And you can click down below and see how it works on your brand. Okay, hope it serves you, and I'll see you in the next video.